Next, we are going to learn about the importance of political science. Okay. The knowledge of political science is essential in the present age. So, in our present situation, knowledge of political science is very essential. The progress and development of a state depends upon the thinking, knowledge, and political involvement of the people. We can see one by one what are the importance of political science. First one, political science helps to understand the birth and growth of a state. It provides information about the type of governments and political activities involved in the functions of the state. So first point is political science give the information about the birth and growth of our state, and what is the, and it provides the information about the types of government also. Second point, political science provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good environment, wars and peace, etc. And it also provides the information about the development and ideas of freedom and justice, how laws and justice is divided equally for the people. So it will give in detail information. It provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government, and it also gives the brief structure and functions of the state and government. In the light of the past and the present activities of the government, political science helps to plan the future activities of the state. It also helps to establish a modern welfare state, and it also gives the activities of our present and past, how our state is going to develop. So which are the rules and regulation we are going to adopt. So this kind of information we will get. Next, political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. See, it also gives the knowledge of the constitution and laws of our state. Okay. Next, political science helps to understand the organs of the government. Example, legislature, executive and judiciary and their functions. So we know already there are three organs. What are they? Legislature, executive and judiciary. And what are their functions? It will give the information. Okay. Next, political science develops political consciousness among the people. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. See, this political science give the detailed information about the government, and people also following every rules and regulation, then how to get the works from the politicians, then they are going to alert for politicians. So these kind of information we will get. Then the knowledge of political science helps leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively, and this political science helps the leaders and civil servants to understand the what are the problems of the people. Okay. Next importance is the knowledge of political science helps to raise good leadership and good citizen. See, this political science give the knowledge of political science about good leadership and good citizen. Then political science helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations and local bodies, and also give the what political parties are ruling, what are their rules and how they are ruling for our state. It is a developing state or not, they are not ruling properly. So this kind of information we will get. Political science deals with the ideologies which inspires and influence political involvement of people, and it also deals with the ideologies with the political involvement of the people, how the people uses their ideas in our state, then how our state is going to improve, like that. And political science provides the knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. Then this one also very important, it give the knowledge of international relationship, because we are living look like brothers and sisters, so in our country also, so that time we should maintain good relationship with other countries. Okay, so dear students, these are the importance of political science. Dear students, these are the study of political science helps to understand the need for the state, good governance of the state, the role of the leaders and people's participation. It helps the people to become good, responsible, cultured and active citizens. The knowledge of political science contributes to the establishment of just, peaceful, progressive and happy state, which is the dream of millions and millions of people for a long time everywhere. So dear student, I hope all are understood very well about the importance of political science. You have any doubts and clarification, you can ask in live session. Thank you.